Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I'm probably going to talk fast because I have a lot to cover. We're going to choose the winner with the spin of the wheel for the hidden giveaway that I had not too long ago, and there could be a hidden giveaway coming up in some videos very soon. I've been sewing, and what I've been doing is I've been making 3 dresses, 2 to sell or give away or whatever, and then 1 for a giveaway. I want to go through and tell you about opportunities coming up in the doll community that I know of that you can join in on, and I'm going to try to do this quickly. I have my calendar out. When I hear about them, I try to write them down quickly. In fact, look what I found for $5 in Walmart the other day. 23 through 25 planner calendar. I don't know about you, but that just looks weird. But look at this, it's large print. So not only can I write in a lot of the details of the collabs and challenges, I can make notes over here, which is really nice. I highly recommend a calendar just for your collabs. All right, on the 15th of September, this is September, grab a pencil. On the 15th of September, we will be announcing the boy doll theme and what doll we'll be doing. And I do that with Cynthia from Ambrosia's Dollhouse, Gosha from Dolls, Trolls, and More. And we've also added, we're delighted to tell you we've added Irene from Irene's Dolly Space. Always on the 16th is the Dolls Gone Goth, and this month it is Dark Fairies, and you can join in those challenges. I'm going to stop here and remind you that the tags, you know how the hashtags used to work so well on YouTube? They don't work at all. So please, when you join in these challenges, leave a note in the comments that you too have a video up so we can all go by and see it. On the 21st is Show Us Your Elves, and this month is back to school, anything back to school, however you want to do that. And then always on the 25th is that boy doll collab. That's when we do the actual videos. And I should back up and say on the 7th of each month we announce, that's J Dolls UK, Tina from Tina's Reborns, Dory from Dory's Dollies, and Penny from Playful Rayborns. Each month we announce what the elf challenge is going to be, what the theme is, so that you can have it ready on the 21st. Same thing J Dolls UK and I do on the 9th of each month for the Dolls Gone Goth. We let you know ahead of time what's coming up so you can get your theme together. There is a ghost doll collab coming up, and that's on the 30th of September. And that one is put on by Caddis Morris. That's Emma's channel, and you can contact her for more information. That one goes up at, oh, forgive me, Emma, I didn't write it down, shame on me, 8 o'clock Pacific, I believe, but check with Emma. Okay, October. On October 3rd, there's going to be a Rainbow High Amaya Rain Day, and that is show anything Amaya Rain. Any size Amaya Rain, you can just show them. Even if they're still in a box, you can show them. You can make them close, take them somewhere, whatever you want to do. Gosh, October 5th, I have on here, I'm like, what is that? BlytheCon reminder I'll be doing on October 5th, which is right around the corner. That's like less than 3 weeks, or it is 3 weeks away. That's the last one before I've been doing a monthly reminder for the BlytheCon. That's the last one coming up. Elf reminder on October 12th. Ayla Avar is doing a Harry Potter challenge. Now, she hasn't released all the details yet, but I believe it's anything Harry Potter. Check with her. And when I say check with these people, you can just go to their channel and leave a comment in their latest video. Most people will get back with you. Darren and I are doing a challenge on October 18th called Tiny Witches. And that is take any doll 8 inches and smaller and show it if it's already a witch, or put a witch hat on it, or make it a witch outfit, however you want to do that. Tiny Witches. And then of course there'll be the Dolls Gone Goth on the 16th, the Elves on the 21st. Those are private. Private collabs means they're just between a few people. November, let's see, gosh, the 5th, I will say again, is the BlytheCon. I so hope to see you there. There is a new collab challenge that has been announced by Holly. This is the cutest channel name. Holly's Dolly Hobby. I love that. She's doing a Maury Girl collab. And that'll be at 9 a.m. her time. And again, I can't remember. It could be Central. Check with Holly on that. But that sounds like a lot of fun, even though I'm not even real clear what Maury Girl is. But a lot of you do. Now, Tammy Polly, she's all into that Maury Girl. Then we'll have our, of course, Dolls Gone Goth, Elves and Boys. Then in December, I'm looking at the private collabs, trying to go over that in my mind. Elf will really be fun in December. I'm betting we see a lot of elf, Christmas elves, elves on the shelf type. So get yours ready. On the 11th of December, there's going to be another Amaya Rain challenge where you just do anything you want with your Amaya Rain. That is Rainbow High Amaya Rain. Then the boys will be out again. Dolls Gone Goth, Elves. On the 18th of December, I have put out a challenge for holiday Barbies. And what that is going to be is take any Barbie. If you go to a thrift store and get one and clean it up and dress it, all the better. But make a Barbie into along the same lines as Mattel does their holiday Barbies each year. That'll really be fun to see. Tina at Tina's Reborns is going to do a Grinch Christmas. And I don't know what time or anything yet, but that is going to be December 19th. And if you watch her channel, you will get more information on that. You can also contact her. And that's what I have for open collabs and challenges through the end of the year right now. But when more comes up, I will try to keep you informed. We had a hidden giveaway, which we have done from time to time on YouTube, where in the middle of a video I say, oh, this is a hidden giveaway, add this word to your comment, you know, mix it in or hide it within your comment. And we're going to have the drawing for this right now. Darren, how many people? There were over 20 people that caught the hidden giveaway and that are in for this spin. So right now, we're going to do that. So Darren put all these names in the wheel, and he's going to spin it in just a second and get our winner. And the winner is Natural Girl 0627. Congratulations. She's going to be getting the dress, the necklace with the little key. I love those little keys. I don't know if you can see it there in the fold. As well as the little shoes. Thank you so much to everybody. Seriously, I really appreciate that you all watch my videos. Please contact me within 3 days or I will spin again. We'll just add the same names. This video today happens to be a hidden giveaway. And we're going to give away this dress that Gathia is wearing. Let me get her out. It's a little pumpkin print. It could use a necklace, but the charms that I have ordered have not arrived yet, so this is what I'm showing. It snaps in the back and it comes with tights. This will fit a Blythe doll. This last batch that I made, these dresses, I made them a little big because I know a lot of people like their outfits to fit a little more loose. Anyway, we're going to have a hidden drawing for this. If you'll add pumpkin in your comments below, you will be entered for the drawing. This is for anywhere in the world. When we do giveaways, I can't mail Happy Mails like I used to all over the world, but when we do giveaways, it includes everybody. I do want to show off one more thing. I've been playing with this little Mini. I've fallen in love with these. Isn't she just adorable? I love her face. Gave her little earrings. I cut her earrings, pushed the tabs in from there, and then I took a little glue, hot glue, ran it along the post and pushed that in her ear. I really like those. I think they're cute on her. Then I made her these little bitty jeans with a patch and a pocket and this little top. I used ribbon for that. That same ribbon I did that Barbie skirt with, and look with this little hat. Oh, get it on her head right. Oh, which way's forward? There we go. Put that on her head. Doesn't she make the cutest little scarecrow? Nope, she's not up for a gift. I just wanted to show her off. I've been working with patterns for these little things, and I have just fallen in love with them. There's two more I want to get. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please get a calendar at the Dollar Tree. Keep track of the collabs. Be sure to add, when you do a collab, be sure not only to mention everybody within the collab in your video, but also a link to their channel. It's just the right thing to do. They're adding you. Be sure to add them. And I have made mistakes, and I feel so bad if I leave someone's name out. I try to be careful, but mistakes happen. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. Pumpkin!